How to make a Schwab account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for schwab.com. Once you search for it, you'll land in their official page. If you would like to open a Schwab account, you want to go ahead and tap on open an account. Just like so, inside here, simply select individual brokerage. And once you're inside here, scroll below, then simply tap on get started. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and fill this form. This form includes your first name, your last name, your date of birth, security number, and your contact details. So go ahead and fill it up. And once you're inside this section, you want to go ahead and simply choose general purpose. Scroll below, then simply choose any other thing. Let's go ahead and tap on continue. And now you want to go ahead and select your employment status. And just like so, tap on continue again. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on yes to things you know. If you don't know what are these things, you can go ahead and simply select no. Tap on continue again. Now after you land on the terms and conditions section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this box. Scroll below, then tap onto it again. And all you have to do is simply agree to their terms and conditions. Once everything is done, go ahead and tap on continue. And just like that, your application will be reviewed by schwab.com. And once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and simply upload your ID. If you don't want to upload it, you can simply tap on skip ID upload. And just like that, you will then be able to open a Schwab account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.